Sloppy Joe, so messy to eat, but so delicious. Not only that, it is ridiculously easy to make, especially when using Campbell soup, today's sponsor. Literally, it is a 20 minutes business starting now. All right. Snatch a gorgeous pound of ground beef, add a few pinches of salt, freshly grounded pepper, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it all together and put aside. Select a firm and glossy green pepper, remove the insides, and chop the fruit into small pieces. I bet you didn't know this was a fruit. Well, me neither. I just learned that from the internet 15 minutes ago. Do the same with half a yellow onion, ideally large, and 3 cloves of garlic. All items botanically categorized as vegetables. Now, time to prep your sauce. Grab a can of Campbell's tomato soup, fry the soup, and add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, another one of mustard, and hot chili or paprika to your liking. Give everything a good stir, and because I like things quite punchy, let me add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and paprika. Moving to the stovetop side of things, we want to saute our fruits and vegetables. Ideally, put the oil in the pan before the onions, but anyway, no big deal. Once things start smelling very delicious, and when the onions start becoming translucent, remove everything from the pan and replace with the beef. After including a bit of oil to a spoonful of the sauteed ingredient, spread the beef across the skillet for a maximum surface contact of meat to heat. Within a few minutes, the bottom will brown. Flip the beef and break up any lumps along the way. This time, you'll have to wait a tiny bit more because we want the second half to get deep brown and release all its flavors. But don't wait too long as to not overcook the meat. There's a bit more cooking coming up, which is why you can see that there are some lovely shades of pink left here. Transfer to a pot because tomato sauce can get messy. Mix the meat and the sauce and let the final cooking happen on a medium heat. Meanwhile, treat yourself to a thick slice of butter, soft brioche buns, smells delicious, and get them toasting. Et voila! Sweet and savory, delicious Sloppy Joe filling. Serve a generous scoop of it on each of your hot buns, and done! It's sweet, it's savory, it's juicy, it's medium, and it has a good crunch because of the pepper. Woo! So that's it. These were my super messy and delicious Sloppy Joe that are on top of it extremely easy to do, especially when using our favorite Campbell soups. If you're wondering why they look so good, it's because Campbell's and the Andy Warhol Foundation decided to work together in order to make exclusive designs that are now available in Canada. Go get yours!